Hey, this is Eric Kummer. I'm one of the drum set instructors at Terra, and I'm going to give you a tip and trick on how to expand your drum fill by incorporating your foot. So for playing 16th notes with our hands, right, left, we can incorporate our bass drum on any one of these 4 beats. So this first example, bass drum is going to be on beat 1, and then the rest of the notes will be with our hands. Bass, left, left. Start slow, work it up to speed, and then reorchestrate it around the set to get a nice drum fill. So, bass, work it up to speed, reorchestrate, and then you'll get something like this.